Binisita namin ang Museo Iloilo to take a video of the Oton Gold Death Mask para sa Oton Iloilo Vlog. At katabi lang nito ang provincial capital. And we noticed that there were food kiosks sa gilid nitong Old Iloilo Prison na parte na ngayon ng Museo Iloilo. Kaya dito na din kami nag-early dinner. And then the next day, we came back to witness the magical Christmas village ng Iloilo Provincial Capital. And welcome to the most magical Christmas village in Iloilo City!